put platitudes about everything like that. And I'm not. I think that's a good answer. Or she wants me to remember why. But you know, if I
different church. I'm gonna go back to church. So I'm going back on the law with it. So I made them a problem. I feel better though. This is my second day back to work. Yeah. Yeah. Come back each and every year to help us down here on Mississippi Gold Coast. They are some awesome folks, and they're some good brothers.
Trying to embarrass me?
No, this video is not in reverse. This video is forward. Yes, he is taking off the hardware.
Oh, hey, Jim. Pretty good, huh?
Make a seesaw.
Put it in. One side will be even higher.